Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my 3 subscribers. Me and a mate Dave, we're actually heading on a bit of a motorcycle adventure, and I'm going to take you 3 special people with me. Okay, so I'll turn you around to the map and we'll have a look at where we're going to go. So up here is Mundubbera, that's where I live, me and Dave. So we're going to meet up on Saturday morning really early, and we're going to head down through Dalby, out to Gundawindi, down to Gilgandra. That's nearly 1,000 k for the day, so we'll stay the night. Sunday we'll head across to Broken Hill, and Broken Hill's got the Mad Max Museum, Mundy Lookout, and that's probably about all, and a bit of red dirt. We'll head from there down to Mildura, and just out of Mildura at Redcliffs there's an old tractor called Big Lizzie, and she's parked up in a park there, so you can go and see it. And I've always wanted to see it. It's a bucket list thing. So from there we're going to follow the Murray River a little bit before we head over to Adelaide. So how are we going to do that? Apparently there's fires in here somewhere, so we'll try and miss that crap. Adelaide, Harndorf, Barnsdale, all them sort of things that we're going to do, and look at soak in some of the churches and all that historical stuff. Head away back down here, do the Great Ocean Road, of course, you've got to do that. We're going to cross the bay from Geelong on the barge, and then we're going to start heading back up here, and Dave's organised the snowy mountains. I don't know how we're doing it, but he's got a heap of squiggly lines up on his map. And then after 14 days, hopefully, we're going to end up back up in Mundubbera. And you lucky people are coming with me, like I said. Okay, let's hit the road, Jack. Well, here we are. It's early. Bike's all loaded, warming up. Put my helmet on, go and meet Dave. Look at that. Hey boys.
Hey BK, how are you?
Oh, good. What's happening?
So today's the big day. Oh, crikey, asking you. Today's the big day. I was going to ask him when the big day was that you were going. I knew it was this month, but today's it.
Today is it.
Somebody...
Okay, so this was our first stop, 90 kilometres, first leak for the day. So yeah, we'll head on now to Geelong South and down to Dalby, out to Mooney, and I probably won't talk to you again until after Gundawindi, because there's sort of not much to see, so just enjoy the view a little bit. I'm sorry about all the motorbike riding, but that's what it's all about.
Take it out. Post Malone. Yeah, I'm in love with this man, Post Malone. Will you marry me, Austin Post? Will you marry me, Austin Post? You know I'm falling for ya, you know I'm falling for ya, yeah. Will you marry me, Austin Post? Promise that you won't end up all alone.
I heard you got some bad news. The doctor says a year or two, but I believe in miracles. Have you ever seen a small tree sprouting up through concrete? Because I think that's what you're gonna do. If you ever need my help, then I would come running from the back room. I would do anything to save you, honey. If you feel unwell, I need you to call out from the darkness. We can go back to before it all started. I heard you saw a hail of gunfire, and not everybody made it home. Lately all you do is run in place, having trouble finding meaning, and I can see which way you're leaning. But I'll be damned if I just let you fade. If you ever need my help, then I would come running from the back room. I would do anything to save you, honey. The moment you feel unwell, I need you to call out from the darkness. We can go back to before it all started. Doesn't matter what the odds, what you've heard, where you run. Doesn't matter what you've seen, where you've been. I will come, hold you up, hear you out, let you cry, talk it out. Every single time you ask, I'll be there, I won't look back. Doesn't matter what the odds, what you've heard, where you run. Doesn't matter what you've seen, where you've been. I will come, hold you up, hear you out, let you cry, talk it out.
Pretty big for its day, eh? You imagine that thing rattling across the desert.
And I think she used to make a pump too with the wheels.
Yeah, the way they flap, yeah.
Yeah. But you'd never get a bog. Pretty hard to bog.
Pretty hard to unbog it. It's pretty hard to unbog it.
And all we're singing about the love and all the things we had. We are up, we are down, but we're never giving up. The killers on the way, and you find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. Now you love me is a power. Stay here 24 hours, baby. Think about me now, and I'll give you everything you wanted. I'm still in love with all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love with all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love. still in love. I'm still
I've said this a million times. You're no good for me. I should say goodbye. But your voice is my lullaby, and your kisses are something I can't deny. Is it right? Is it wrong? I don't care. It feels way too good. Is it right? Is it wrong? Your lips heal me when I feel blue. Some days I say you're the one I hate, but I wake up in your bed again. Some days I say I will run away, but it's all a lie, 'cause I always stay. It's all a lie, 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 I always stay.
The pump going down there. I hope he's got a meter. That'd have to be dammed, wouldn't it? It's got to be dammed. What's right down there? There's a structure right down there as far as you can see.
Yeah. I think they got locks in that.
Is that why it's called Loxton?
Well, I don't know, it could be. It could be.
That's really neat, mate.
It's genuine, it's not a kit car this way.
Isn't
Genuine
it?
out of England.
Gosh, there's all water, but I wanted to take it around.
Yeah.
Expensive money. Too good to pass.
Yeah, so we're just leaving Lock 4 here at Loxton, and we're looking up the hill here at these $1 million homes. You imagine having to live here. These guys are doing it so tough. Anyway, a bit of a summary of the trip so far. I've worked out that GoPro mounts are absolute shit, and having to buy another camera has really put a strain, you know, another $650 on top of all the fuel and accommodation. Anyway, it had to happen. The trip out to Broken Hill without the camera breaking would have been good, but it was long, lots of nothingness. I can't believe there was just nothing there except goats, emus and flies. Hardly a tree when you got closer out there. The eye-opener for me, I think, was reading the memorial board at Broken Hill up at the lookout above town, just to see how hard it was on the original pioneers there, the way they had to live and the way they died, and died at an early age too. It was a real eye-opener to see that. Mildura, I loved that place. It was just spectacular. The banks of the Murray, beautiful parks, very historical stuff, very nice place to visit. I'm going back again. Anyway, I'll play a bit more music and talk a little bit again later on. Yeah, so here we go. We're jumping on the barge. We're going to cross the Murray River and find our way to the sort of base of the Adelaide Hills. So in the next episode, we will be climbing the dry old Adelaide Hills. She's pretty steep and windy and, like I said, bloody dry. I can't believe it. You top the hill, get into Adelaide and it's all green and irrigated again. It's different. Anyway, that's where we're heading next episode. So I hope you all come back and check it out. I don't know when I'll get around to doing it, but yeah, I'll get it out as soon as I can. Okay, bye for now.
Thanks, mate.